Hello, English learners! Welcome back to Talk Flora. I am so happy you are here today. I'm Emma, and as always, I am joined by my wonderful co-host, Jack.
Hey, Emma, and hey to all our amazing listeners out there. I'm feeling great today, Emma. You know why? Because we're talking about something that, well, it honestly makes me realize how much I love teaching English.
Oh, I see what you did there. You used our word of the day already.
I couldn't help it just slipped out. But really, today we are diving deep, and I mean really deep, into the word make.
It's such a small word, isn't it? M-A-K-E. Only 4 letters. But oh my goodness, it causes so much trouble for our students. I hear make and do mixed up almost every single day.
Every single day. It's probably the #1 mistake I hear. People say things like, I need to do a phone call, or I did a mistake. And while I understand them, it just doesn't sound natural.
Exactly. And that's what we want for our Talk Flora family, right? We want them to sound natural, to feel confident, and to really make progress. Ha! I used it too.
Nice one. So, Emma, where do we even start? Make is everywhere.
Let's start with the most basic meaning. Usually, when we use make, we are talking about creating something, building something, producing something that wasn't there before.
Like making coffee? Because I definitely made a huge pot of coffee before we started recording this.
Exactly. You didn't just do coffee, you created it. You put the water in, the beans in, and poof, coffee exists. So you made coffee.
It's funny because sometimes I make a mess while I'm making coffee.
Oh, you definitely do. I've seen your kitchen, Jack. It's a disaster zone.
Hey, don't tell everyone that. But you're right, I make a mess. That's another one. A mess is a thing that I created through my clumsiness.
It's okay. We love you anyway. So, for everyone listening, think of it this way. If you are using your hands or your brain to create a physical object or a result, you are likely using make. You make dinner, you make a sandwich, you make a cake for a friend's birthday.
And when you make that cake, if it's a surprise, you are making a memory.
Oh, that's poetic, Jack. I like that. But wait, let's go back to the kitchen for a second, because food is the easiest way to remember this. Jack, what's your favorite thing to make for dinner?
Oh, I love making tacos. It's easy, it's fun, and you can make a lot of them at once. What about you?
I like making pasta, specifically making the sauce from scratch. It makes the whole house smell amazing.
See? There it is again. It makes the house smell amazing. We're not just talking about physical objects, are we? We're talking about a feeling or a change in the environment.
You're jumping ahead, Jack, but you're right. Make is used for cause and effect. The pasta makes the house smell good. The sad movie makes me cry. You make me happy.
I try, Emma, I try. But seriously, that's a big one for beginners. If something causes an emotion, use make.
Let's give some more examples of that, because I think it's really helpful. Listeners, think about your day. Does the rain make you feel sad? Does a good song make you want to dance? Does your boss make you feel stressed?
Or, hopefully, does this podcast make you feel more confident in your English?
I hope so. That is the goal.
You know, Emma, I was thinking about how we use make with people, like you make me laugh. Is it always about emotions?
Not always. It can be about actions, too. Like, my mom makes me clean my room.
Oh, I remember those days. I didn't want to do it, but she forced me. So make can mean to force or to require.
Right. It's a bit stronger than just asking. If I say, Jack, I'm going to make you edit this podcast, it sounds like you don't have a choice.
Wait, do I have a choice?
Maybe. We'll see how well you behave. But for our listeners, notice the grammar there. It's make plus person plus verb base form. Make me laugh. Make me study. Make me work.
Not make me to laugh?
No, never. That's a common trap. No to, just make me laugh.
Okay, so let's recap for a second because we've covered a lot. 1, creating things, making coffee, making a cake. 2, causing emotions, making me happy. 3, forcing an action, making me work.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the ones that just don't follow a rule. The ones we just have to memorize, the collocations.
The just because list, my favorite.
I know, but they are so important. Let's start with the big one, mistakes.
Yes, please, everyone, listen closely. You do not do a mistake, you make a mistake.
Even I make mistakes. Jack makes mistakes. It's part of learning. If you say, I did a mistake, people will understand you, but if you say, I made a mistake, you sound so much more fluent.
It's like a secret code. If you use make with mistake, you instantly level up your English.
Another one is money. You don't do money, you make money.
I wish I was making more money.
Don't we all? But yes, I want to make a lot of money so I can travel the world.
And if you travel, you have to make a decision about where to go.
Oh, good one. Make a decision, not do a decision. You sit down, you think about your options, and you make a choice. You make a decision.
What about plans? Like, let's make a plan for the weekend.
Yes, making plans, making arrangements, making a reservation at a restaurant. All of these involve organizing something that didn't exist before.
I made a reservation for us at that new Italian place, by the way, for Friday night.
Did you really?
No, I'm just giving an example.
Oh, Jack, you got my hopes up. You made me excited for a second.
Sorry. I'll make it up to you.
Wait, make it up to someone. That's a phrasal verb.
Oh man, I am just on a roll today with these make expressions. To make it up to someone means to do something good because you did something bad or disappointing earlier.
Like, if I forget your birthday, I might buy you a really nice gift to make it up to you.
Exactly. But let's stay on the simple stuff first. I don't want to make our listeners feel overwhelmed.
Good point. Let's look at make a phone call.
That's a classic. I need to make a quick call.
And make a noise. If you are being too loud, I might say, please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to record a podcast.
Shh, sorry. I'll try not to make any noise.
You're being silly. But you know what else is a make? Make a suggestion.
Locke, can I make a suggestion? Let's take a break and talk about make sure.
Oh, make sure is a huge one. It's used so often in daily life. Make sure you lock the door. Make sure you subscribe to Talk Flora.
Wink. Nice call to action there, Emma.
I try, but make sure basically means to confirm or to be certain.
I always make sure I have my keys before I leave the house. Well, most of the time.
Most of the time? Jack, didn't you get locked out last week?
I did. I made a mistake. I didn't make sure I had my keys. See? I used 3 of them in one sentence.
You're becoming a make expert. Okay, let's talk about some of the ones that are a bit more social, like make friends.
That's a lovely one. When you go to a new school or a new job, you want to make friends.
It's interesting, isn't it? In some languages, you gain friends or find friends, but in English, you make them. It's like you're building a relationship.
I like that. It makes it feel like you're putting effort into it. You're creating a bond.
And what about make fun of?
Oh, that's not as nice. To make fun of someone means to tease them or laugh at them in a mean way.
Like how I make fun of your messy kitchen?
Exactly. It hurts my feelings, Emma.
Oh, stop it. I only do it because I love you, and it makes for good conversation.
That's true. It makes sense.
Makes sense. That's another vital one. If something is logical or easy to understand, it makes sense.
Does this lesson make sense to you guys so far? I hope it does. If it doesn't make sense, you can always go back and listen again.
That's the beauty of podcasts. You can make the most of your time by listening while you're driving or cleaning.
Make the most of. We are just hitting all the idioms today. To make the most of something means to use it in the best way possible.
Right. Make the most of your practice time. Make the most of your day.
Emma, I have a question. This one always confuses people. Make the bed.
Ah, yes. Why do we make a bed? We aren't building the bed out of wood every morning.
Right? I just pull the sheets up.
But you are creating order. You're producing a neat and tidy look. So we make the bed. My mom always made me make my bed before school.
My mom gave up on that with me. She knew I'd just make a mess of it again by nap time.
Oh, I believe that. Okay, let's try a little challenge for our listeners. I'm going to say a sentence with a blank, and you have to decide if it's make or do. Jack, you can play too.
I'm ready. I'm gonna make you proud, Emma.
Okay, first one. I need to blank a decision about my job.
Oh, that's easy. Make a decision.
Correct. Next, can you blank me a favor?
Oh, wait. Is that make? Make me a favor? No, it's do me a favor.
Yes, good catch. Do a favor is one of the big do words, but we're focusing on make today, so let's get back on track.
Okay, give me another make one. The loud music, blank, my ears hurt.
The loud music made my ears hurt. Cause and effect.
Exactly. One more. I'm going to blank an excuse for why I'm late.
Make an excuse. People are really good at making excuses.
They are. I'm late because the dog ate my keys.
That's a terrible excuse, Emma. No one would believe that.
You're right. It doesn't make much sense.
You know, what I find interesting is how make can change based on the preposition, like make up.
Oh, make up has so many meanings. It's like a Swiss Army knife word.
Right? You can make up a story, like your dog eating the keys. That's an invention, a lie.
Or you can make up with a friend after an argument. It means to become friends again, to resolve the problem.
And of course, there's the makeup you put on your face to look pretty.
Exactly. It's all about creating something new, whether it's a story, a peace agreement, or a new look.
It's so versatile. But I think for our beginners, the most important thing is to start noticing it. When you watch a movie or read a book, look for the word make.
That's such good advice. Don't try to learn them all at once. It will make your head spin. Just pick 3 or 4 make expressions today and try to use them.
Like, I made a sandwich while making sure I didn't make a mistake on my homework.
Okay, maybe don't put them all in one sentence like that. That might make you sound a little crazy.
But it was fun.
It was. Jack, let's talk about the feeling of making progress. I think this is really encouraging for our listeners. Learning a language is hard. It takes time. But every time you learn a new phrase, you are making progress.
Definitely. And don't let the small mistakes make you feel bad. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. I probably made 3 mistakes in this episode already.
Only 3? You're doing well today.
Hey! But really, the emotion is important. If you're having fun, you'll learn faster. We want to make English learning the best part of your day.
That is so true. We want to make it easy, make it fun, and make it something you look forward to.
So, Emma, what's one thing you want our listeners to make sure they do after this episode?
I want them to make sure they leave a comment. Tell us, what makes you happy? Use the word make in your sentence.
Oh, I love that. Coffee makes me happy. My cat makes me happy. Learning English with Emma and Jack makes me happy.
That would make me so happy to read.
And make sure to hit that subscribe button. It makes a huge difference for our channel, Talk Flora. It helps us reach more people and make more lessons.
It really does. We love this community so much. You guys make all the hard work worth it.
We really do. So don't be afraid. Go out there and make some mistakes, make some friends, and make some great English conversations.
Well said, Jack. I think we've made our point today.
I see what you did there. Made our point.
I couldn't resist. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening to Talk Flora. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
So, Jack, are we actually going to get Italian food now?
I mean, I could be persuaded to make a real reservation.
You better. Don't make me beg.
Okay. Let's go.
Wait, make sure you have your keys this time.
Jingle keys. Got 'em right here. See? I'm making progress.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
You know, Emma, I was just thinking, make is also used for sounds, right? Like make a speech?
Yes, to make a speech or make a comment, it's almost like you're presenting something to the world.
I remember the first time I had to make a speech in school. My heart was beating so fast. It made me so nervous.
I think everyone feels that way. But the more you do it, the more it makes sense to you and the less scary it becomes.
Exactly. It's all about practice. Practice makes perfect, as they say.
Though I prefer to say practice makes progress. Perfection is too hard.
I like that. Practice makes progress. Let's make that our new motto for Talk Flora.
I love it. Let's make it happen.
All right, now I'm really hungry. Let's go get that pasta.
Only if you make sure to pay.
Hey now, I'm the one who made the reservation.
Fair enough. Let's go. Bye again, everyone.
Bye.
Actually, Jack, before we go, I just thought of one more. Make an effort.
Oh, that's a big one. You have to make an effort to learn. It doesn't just happen by magic.
Exactly. Our listeners are making a huge effort just by listening to this. It's not easy to listen to a whole conversation in another language.
You're right. Hey, listeners, we see you. We see the effort you're making, and it's going to pay off.
It definitely will. Okay, now I'm officially done. No more make puns.
We'll see about that. I'll bet you make another one before we reach the car.
How much do you want to bet?
I'll make you a deal. If you don't say make for the next 10 minutes, I'll buy dinner.
Ooh, you are. Wait, I just said make in my head while agreeing to the deal. Does that count?
I didn't hear it, so it doesn't count. The clock starts now.
Silent, smiling.
This is going to be a very quiet walk to the car.
Nods and laughs.
See you guys.
Waves goodbye silently.
She's really doing it. She's making a real attempt.
Points at Jack and shakes her head.
Okay, I'll stop trying to trick you. Let's go.
Once they are outside, I won. 10 minutes are up.
No way, that was only 5 minutes.
It felt like 10, and look, we're at the car. I made it.
Fine. You won. I'm making a payment for dinner tonight.
Yes, that makes me very happy.
You knew I couldn't stop.
It's impossible. Make is just too useful.
It really is. All right, for real this time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.